In the vibrant world beneath the waves, where the coral reefs bloomed with a kaleidoscope of colors and sea creatures danced in sync with the ocean currents, there lived a young, curious fish named Finley. Finley was unlike the other fish. He was adventurous and always questioned the world around him. One sunny afternoon, as the light filtered through the clear water, Finley noticed a commotion near a section of the coral reef. Upon swimming closer, he saw a fellow fish tangled in a cruel fishing net, struggling near a dangerous current that threatened to drag him away. Frantically, Finley darted around the frantic cluster of fish who had gathered, but were too scared to approach the perilous current. They whispered to each other, "It's too risky, and better safe than sorry," their voices a chorus of caution. But Finley felt a growing determination. He spoke up. "Sometimes doing the right thing means swimming in a different direction." The other fish, although impressed by his words, stayed put, reluctant to act. Mustering all his courage, Finley decided to swim against the current to help the trapped fish, his resolve flickering like a beacon. The journey against the powerful current was arduous. Swirling waters pushed him back, but Finley flapped his little fins harder and harder, fueled by a sense of purpose. As he neared the net, his heart raced, yet he felt a newfound strength, something called bravery, he realized. Finally reaching the net, Finley used his sharp fins to carefully cut away at the fibers, inch by inch. The other fish watched in awe, their fear slowly turning to support. As the last strand snapped, the trapped fish was freed, swirling jubilantly in the open water. Together, Finley and his new friend swam triumphantly away from the treacherous current back to safety. A heartwarming wave swept through the sea community as they gathered around Finley. The other fish now understood. It was bravery and the willingness to choose a different path that saved the day. They surrounded Finley in celebration, acknowledging his courageous heart and the difference one small fish could make. As the sun set and the ocean glowed with warm twilight colors, the narrator's voice resonated warmly through the water. "Dare to be different, and you can make a big difference too." With laughter and songs, the community of fish came together, their lives a little brighter, and their hearts a little braver than before.